Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today is Saturday and you know exactly what is happening on Saturdays. I am reviewing another balloon garland kit from a company that I've never worked with before. The name of the company is Regal Decorations. Let's go and check it out on Amazon how this kit looks like. So this is how this kit looks on Amazon. It's looking very peachy and gold, very adorable. It includes 110 pieces, 3D foiled butterflies, this banner baby girl, and some greeneries to insert into your balloon garland. It will cost you now $21.99, and they also provided this coupon right here for 5% off. I'm curious to know what's the quality of these balloons and how this kit will actually look in real life. So without any further ado, let's go. And this is what I received from Regal Decorations. Let's open this up and take a closer look. First, the paper with instructions. We have balloon tying tool, glue dots, some ribbon, greeneries, balloon strip, a bag of balloons, another bag of balloons. Looks like these are 5-inch balloons. Then we have this paper. I'm not sure what it is. We'll figure this out as we go. Then we have a baggie with beautiful foiled gold butterflies. How stunning. And this bag with all the cardboard goodies over here. So we have baby girl, shimmery, pretty looking letters, and some pink butterflies. All ready to inflate my balloons. I am using my electric balloon pump from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. The name of this pump is Zoom. You can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code and it's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. This code is valid only for your first purchase and if you are a new customer. So since we are working with a balloon strip, we need to inflate our balloons individually and tie them individually. So balloon, blow it up. As soon as I'm done inflating my balloon, I am pressing against the floor to give my balloon more rounded shape, and using balloon tying tool, I am tying my balloon. By the way, we are working with 12, 10, and 5-inch balloons. One more thing I wanted to show you is how to tell when you're overinflating your balloons with air. Very simple. Inflating your balloon, if you will be seeing this shape like a pear shape, that means you overinflated your balloons with air. Let some air out until it looks something like this without this pear shape, and then press against the floor and look at this perfectly blown balloon. For confetti balloons, let me quickly show you what I do and how I deal with my confettis. Inflate your balloon. Static my confettis, I am taking my own 2 hands and starting to rub on my balloon. This way I am creating static inside of the balloon and confettis are starting to stick. Give it a shake. Rub some more if you need to. And voila, you have one beautiful confetti balloon. These clear balloons, I wish that they were a little bit better because they blow into weird shapes right away. Other than that, I really like the different types and kinds of confettis in there. Construct my balloon garland, I am using balloon strip that is included in this kit. As you can see, we have a bigger hole, little opening, and smaller hole. I am starting to insert my balloon through the big hole, making sure my knot is completely through, sliding my balloon through the opening into a smaller hole, and letting go. That's basically all you need to do to construct your balloon garland. If you see your balloons are starting to pop out of your strip, that means you need to skip a hole. You packed your balloons way too tight into this strip. I don't see a difference if you insert your balloons on one side or alternate sides. I always insert mine on one side. That's all. Let's construct this. I will be leaving my gold balloons and my confetti balloons outside of the strip, and 5 5-inch balloons outside. I will fill in spaces with them later, and I'm working with solid colors, bigger size balloons only. I often get asked if I follow a pattern while constructing my balloon garland. With the balloon kits, once in a while I do follow a pattern, and I started following the pattern more often recently. I am starting with peach, going for pink, and then white, and then again peach, pink, white. You know what, you guys, I am looking at all of my balloons, and I think I want to insert some of my gold and some of my confetti balloons into my strip as a base, and I will leave some outside of the strip to kind of fill it in the balloon garland later on. Here is how I attached my garland to my grid frame. I took included curling ribbon and simply tied my garland to the grid. My balloon garland is on my grid and it's looking cute. I like what I see. I like the colors. These pink balloons, especially 5-inch balloons, are extremely thin and extremely soft. I love the confetti balloons that they have different confettis in them. Very adorable. And overall, it's a pretty decent quality balloon garland kit so far. I am taking glue dots that were included in this kit, and I'm starting to fill in spaces on my garland. I will be using more than one glue dot per balloon because I want to be sure that my balloons will stay on my garland for a long time. I always encourage you to use more than one glue dot. I hope one roll of glue dots will be enough. So excited to insert this greenery into my balloon garland. I am simply weaving this greenery in my balloon garland. I decided to cut pieces and then insert it into my balloon garland. I just want to spread this greenery all over my balloon garland evenly. Is the most exciting part for me right now. I love these. They are so pretty, and they come like this, very flat, but I want to make them 3D. Here is how I will be doing that. I am simply taking my butterfly and starting to bend my wings towards the middle. You can help out with your nail, kind of holding this line and kind of bend it, holding it here and bending again. And look how pretty. It's gonna look so adorable. By the way, I will be using one glue dot per butterfly. Last but not least, this beautiful sparkling banner. This is what I have for you today. Look how cute it looks. I really love what I see. I like the concept, butterflies, greenery, and color combo as well. A decent quality balloons. I lost only one balloon while inflating. I had enough glue dots to make my balloon garland and attach butterflies with. Good banner, nicely cut out letters, good cardstock, and pretty shimmer. I ended up cutting my banner into 2 pieces. To be honest, I like it a lot better with 2 pieces than one. It's absolutely and totally up to you if you want to cut it or leave it as one banner. Greenery adds something very special into this garland. And yeah, you guys, I will link and list everything in the description under this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and some pictures will be at the end of this video as well. So this is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, like usual, leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button for more videos and great ideas. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.